Hi, I'm Navid. I'm an oceanographer and I use theory and models to study how ocean flows around, how it interacts with the atmosphere and climate. I also like to develop climate models, get my hands really dirty with coding and hacking. Modern and future climate, what is it all about? It's about having fun. First and foremost, having fun. We'll learn how the climate works. We'll learn how the energy that comes into the earth from the sun gets redistributed by the atmosphere, the ocean. We'll learn about the various climate components like the atmosphere, the ocean, the clouds, the sea ice, the land, and how they all come about to give the climate we're experiencing now, and the climate, this climate will be changing. We'll learn about sea level rise, sea ice, climate feedbacks, and whatnot. We'll also get our hands dirty with coding and Python. We'll use Python and X-ray, tools like X-ray, to analyze and visualize output from state-of-the-art climate models and learn the things that we discuss in class in the tutorials. You'll also have an assignment in which you will be asked to record an interview to an imaginary audience about some things that we learn in class. And you are really encouraged to go full-on creative, dress up, visual effects, anything you like. So, come join us, we'll have a lot of fun. See you there.